Guys, today I'm gonna play Purgate. I'm gonna play Purgate. Sorry for the screaming. Sorry for the screaming, guys. Don't call me gay. My parents will spank me after this. Just kidding. My father will. Because I kept using my because I kept using my Indian accent. I'm scared a little bit, but okay. Just don't care. A little too hard to I can't speak, bro. I can't speak because me keep screaming. The killer hero, Brian. Okay. I'm just gonna test this guy right here. Stickmaster Luke. I don't know who the fudge is he. Oh my god. Why is he looking at me like that so weirdly? What did they do to you, buddy? People. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. It's a people lover. But I like Peebles too. He's too cute. He's fat. He's chubby. He's cute. That's all. Peebles. Okay, I like Peebles too. Oh, thank you for giving me pizza. Pizza. I don't want to scream again. But I still want to scream so I can get a lot of likes. You know? I'm fine. Okay. Oh my god, why that guy jumping over there? Damn it, bro! I wasted my stamina. I wasted my stamina. Stamina. I'm being serious now. Hero Brian is chasing me right now. Hero Brian is chasing me right now. This blocky guy is chasing me right now. Ah! Please! Let me alone! Leave me alone! Son of a nigga, bro! What the flip? Sorry, bro. I may have to target you first. I am just joking. I am just very mad right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. My throat is so my throat is so sore. I kept screaming, bro. Why double trouble? Why two slashers, bro? Why two slashers? I wanna be a guest. I wanna be a guest. Best. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Oh my god, I'm lagging. I'm manging-langing. Ah! Nigger Brian. Yeah. Oh my. I saw that. I saw. Oh my god. Why is the hair? Oh. Yes. Hope I survive. I almost lost my breath. I'm a survivalist. Survivalist. I'm survivalist. Oh sh. Oh go. Oh. Why I can't get the green balloon? What do I do with the green balloon? Maybe I finish one generator and I get one. Maybe. Juke. Juke. Oh, never mind. Oh. Low gets turned. Nobody can. Bitch, just let me finish the generator. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone, please help me. I'll just kill myself for that. What the fuck is this 2 time, bro? What is this 2 time? He's making me sad. He's exploiting. So, so much screaming to take off so bad. I don't you. Where's guest? Where's guest? My God. I'm gonna get a skin. Sorry, I was AFK. Okay, just wait, just cut. Just wait, maybe I should, may, goodbye for a bit, just take care.